Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing great today. So, imagine this. Your laptop suddenly stops working. Maybe the motherboard is gone or the screen is totally dead. But inside, the SSD still holds all your important data. Or maybe you upgraded to a new laptop and want to reuse your old M.2. NVMe SSD has fast external storage. In situations like these, an NVMe SSD enclosure becomes a total lifesaver. Today, we're checking out the Pibox India NVMe SSD Enclosure, a compact and powerful external SSD case with 10 Gbps high-speed transfer, USB Type-C, and tool-free installation. First, let's open the pouch. Inside, we have the NVMe enclosure itself, 2 cables, USB-C to USB-C and USB-C to USB-A. The case is made of premium aluminum, so it not only looks sleek but also helps in heat dissipation. Let's take a look around the enclosure. Clean finish Type-C port at the back and the status LED indicator. Now, let's open the case. It's a tool-free design, so just slide the back cover. Inside, we have the M583 high-speed chipset board. I'm taking my NVMe SD here. This is a 2280 size, but remember this enclosure supports 2230, the 2242, stored also was 260, 280 NVMe SSDs with MRB and M key. Important note, this does not support SATA M.2 SSDs, only NVMe PCI ones. Insert the SSD into the slot at a slight angle, press it down and secure it using the rubber fastener. Now, let's place the thermal pad on top. This helps to keep the SSD cool during high-speed transfers. Then slide the cover back on, and we are ready to go. Let's connect it to the laptop using the USB-C cable. The system detects it instantly. No drivers needed. Let's open it. And yes, all my old files are here. Now let's check read-write speed. Which is very fast for transferring games, photos, or large project files. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment below. Your support really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.